Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 21st December. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to visit Kuwait, first visit of Indian PM in 43 years. PM Modi expressed grief over demise of former Haryana CM Om Prakash Chautala. India dispatched 1,000 metric tons of humanitarian aid to Lesotho. Home Minister Amit Shah praised SSB's dedication to Nepal-Bhutan border security on 61st Raising Day. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to hold pre-budget consultations with various states' finance ministers. Delhi University to introduce one-year PG course from 2016. Registration open for 8th Pariksha Pe Charcha to be held in January 2025. New Delhi to host 2025 World Para Athletics Championships at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. First ever World Meditation Day to be observed on December 21. Share of gender budget in union budget increased to 6.8% from 5.3% in 2023 to 24 government. And now some international news. Russian President Putin ready to compromise with Trump on Ukraine war. Sri Lanka to decide on foreign research vessels based on committee recommendations. France is facing challenges in Africa as Chad and Senegal ended defense cooperation. US diplomats visited Syria to meet new rulers. UN General Assembly asked court to say what Israel needed to provide in Gaza. Now, some sports news. India beat West Indies by 60 runs to clinch Women's T20 Series 2-1. New Delhi to host 2025 World Para Athletics Championships at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. BCCI SGM to elect Jay Shah Ashish Sheller's replacement on January 12 in Mumbai. Indian team qualified for IC Road Lever Junior Tennis Challenge World Event. Now news related to business. FM Nirmala Sitharaman to hold pre-budget consultations with various states' finance ministers. UPI has become global revolution in digital payment, Union Minister Pratap Rao Jadhav. Amravati Development, World Bank approved $800 million loan. GST Council to decide on cutting taxes on insurance premium, rate ridging on host of items. 6 entities paid 3.49 crore to settle front-running trade case with SEBI. And that's all in news. Thank you.